enjoying the free content and also learning a lot, send a blessing of appreciation over to your girl at $EarthLocks via Cash App. Thank you guys in advance. I love you guys so much. Enjoy the video. What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you. First part of the style, which is basically lock petals all across the top, okay? And you saw me in the video making my lock petals. Once I got about here at the top, I started to make my lock petals go this way, okay? So they can kind of fall over the hair that I have here. And I basically did that all around the head, just like so. Like so. So the next part of this style is the barrel roll, okay? Now I have a confession to make real quick. In the beginning of the video, I said that I was going to do a barrel roll, but I decided to do a different lock styling technique because I think it'll look so much better. And that lock styling technique is a infinity braid, okay? An infinity braid is basically a braid with the figure 8, okay? And what I'm going to I do an infinity braid. I dropped that video a couple of years ago. I'll leave it right here at the top of the screen, so make sure you check that out, how to do an infinity braid. All right. Braid, okay, we can go ahead and continue doing lock petals. Lock petals, and the next step is to go ahead and do an infinity braid. As you can see, I've done my second set of infinity braids, and we're going to do the exact same thing, more lock petals. Family, so I went ahead and did the rest of these lock petals here off camera, so you guys know what time it is. We're doing another infinity braid here, and then our last set of all of my lock petals here at the very bottom, and now the style. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. Share this video with all your friends and family with locks, Any locticians you know seeking lock styling inspiration. If you're a loctician and you're learning a lot from me, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creations. Link in the description. Comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.